आयु सत्वबालरोगस्य सुखा प्रीति विवर्धनः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृदया आहारा सात्विका प्रिया. Food dear to those in the mode of goodness increase the duration of life, purify one's existence, give strength, health, happiness and satisfaction. Such foods are juicy, fatty, wholesome and pleasing to the heart. Food is very important. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं खाने से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. You read whatever you want, you eat whatever you want. Just believe. Many people have this conception in various religions all around the world. Just believe in Him. Do whatever you want, you eat, whatever you want to do, you drink, you smoke, you eat, do whatever nonsense. Just believe in Him and everything will be fine. Isn't that is the kind of ऐसा लोग conception बना के बैठे हुए. In the discussion on the Bhagavad Gita, it says one of the problems with a person, in the beginning, Sattvic person knows what is to be done, what is not to be done. Rasic person is confused, and Tamasic person reverse. Okay? In the qualities of a demonic person, this comes. They do not know what is to be done, what is not to be done. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha janana asura janaha na shaucham. This is the description. Na pichacharo. So, person who is asuric, he does not know what is to be done, what is not to be done, and starts with the food. Tongue is most important, and we are what we eat. So totally the whole personality will change if he starts eating the wrong stuff. So this is very nicely explained here. The definition of food has been given. What we say as good food. See how nice definition is. The purpose of food is to increase the duration of life, purify the mind and bodily strength. That is its only purpose. Increase the duration of life, purify the mind and aid bodily strength. How nicely it is said. We think so many purposes. No, food has this purpose. Food is not just for pleasure. Mostly today what happens is that we forget the end. Just like Diwali Pataka. You do the big Diwali Pataka, a lot of people will clap. But what is the end of it? Correct? You spend 1 crore rupees, you can blow fireworks. It will happen. A lot of people, oh, what you did. But the end is what? Only ash. So similarly, food can also be like Diwali Pataka. Just like all the bakery products. Not recommended. Because it does not aid bodily strength. It does not increase duration of life. What does allopathy speak about maida? In Ayurveda, it is considered poison. In allopathy, also not recommended. Fast food. You have study on that? But why there is so many schools and colleges? It is banned. It should be far away. Why? It leads to obesity.
Constipation, obesity.
Hmm.
Red meat is a known risk factor for carcinoma.
Anyway, we have allopathy doctors, a lot of allopathy doctors today. So now let us try to understand this point. So we forget the purpose of food. Just like life. We tend to enjoy life without thinking what is the end of life. Similarly, we are very much excited by immediate what the food is giving me. Just like when you take, I've seen in the colleges when they have a fast food joint, they have it now. They may say on paper, but everybody makes it, and that's the most popular place. In one of the colleges I go, they made one, and you should have looked. Everybody is there, and they just eat it while running to the classroom in the morning. It's fast to eat. They all get up late, their habits, and something to munch on the way they all taking. But it's always fast food. Okay? So that is not recommended here, because that is not with the purpose of food. It may immediately do something, but that is not the purpose of food. Purpose of food was to give you bodily strength and increase duration of life. This will actually harm your health. Okay? Similarly with the life. So many things we do in the life, it is compared to, the example is given as camel. The camel, when it bites thorns, it is very pleasurable for him because his own blood comes on the mouth. But at the end of the day, he is drinking his own blood. Just an example you try to understand. Now I have not done nature study, but you see in the Bhagavatam and the Vedic literatures, they are studying nature. They lived with nature. Many of us don't know what camel does. Many of us don't know what dog does. We hardly study nature. We were joking that day, no? How many of us seen moon? We have not seen moon for days. We are not living with nature. Because previously it was not like that. A small kuti, there is a place all around, there is a garden, you see the plants, you see the birds, you see nature. True? People lived with nature. So now it comes to, so therefore, the example of camel is given because camel bites thorns when he is very hungry, but its own blood which comes in the mouth, it takes as pleasurable. So similarly for the life, we may try to enjoy some pleasure, but at the end of it, we are killing ourselves. Same with food. Allopathy also they speak about food, which food to eat. They don't advise fast food. No, they don't advise. No. But as if Ayurveda is, I go to some Ayurvedic colleges and they have many shlokas that if you get up in Brahma Muhurte, blah blah blah, some shloka they told me, and your life will increase and everything is good. From principal to peon, nobody gets up. It's only in the exam. Teacher teaches in the class, they remember shloka, they write the shloka in the exam, they get marks. But neither student nor teacher, principal, I asked anybody, when I meet them, they laugh and say, no, we don't get up. Why they teach? So, it's true. So, I'm saying in allopathy also, you may say it is true, but you may be eating fast food even though you know that it is not good for health. Take care. So, anyway, that's the first part. So, therefore, the three modes. A sattvic person is happy, a rasic person is disturbed, and tamasic is mad, even in food. Now let us prove that food wise. Sattvic food aids the health, it increases the duration of life, we can call it sattvic. Okay? And that food is then divided into fruits, grains, milk, vegetable, and you combine them. And actually there is no need, because you see we can make millions of food like this. हम हजारों खाने बना सकते हैं ये सब मिला के. थोड़ा आने ले लीजिए, मिल्क ले लीजिए. Any good cook, actually we do not know also how many to make. They have sometime food festivals. उतने खाने हमको मालूम नहीं है. We don't know so many of items which can be combined and made through vegetable. Do you know all? सब मालूम है क्या? नहीं. इतना बन जाता है कि आपका कोई एंड नहीं है. तो जरूरत क्या है ये खाने की आपको तामसिक पान खाने? कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Agree? Every rule has an exception. एक्सेप्शन है, आप अंटार्कटिक में हैं और वहाँ कुछ नहीं है और आपको मछली मिली. वी कैन नॉट मेक, लॉर्ड इज वॉचिंग, नो, यू कैन नॉट चीट कृष्णा. करेक्ट? वी ट्राई टू क्रिएट, देयर इज एन एक्सेप्शन, देयर इज एन इमरजेंसी. नो, सो मच वेजिटेशन इज देयर ऑल अराउंड. करेक्ट? व्हाट डू यू से? You say in desert there is no vegetation. Okay, so now we understood this principle that actually this food, and also Krishna, if you want to please Krishna, because Krishna is the bhokta, Krishna is the enjoyer. Now you are not the enjoyer. If you want to please Krishna, you have to give Krishna what he wants. Just like some people have that. I don't like that sabji, I don't like that sweet, I don't like that item, correct? So you don't give him that, he gets irritated. Similarly, Krishna says only these 4 things you can offer. What is the shloka? Full shloka. 9.26. Yeah, what is the shloka? Patram pushpam phalam toyam. You didn't know? 3 times Krishna says it has to be properly given. 3 times in this shloka. Patram pushpam phalam toyam. First thing, now we are going beyond Sattva-guna to Krishna consciousness. Sattva, Rajas, Tamas we analyze on our perspective. I will be happy in sattvic food. Rasic food, it will disturb. Tamasic food, I'll go crazy. We never thought about Krishna. Correct? So, bhakti, devotee is beyond Sattva-guna, is thinking about Krishna. Correct? Sattvic person will live a life in such a way that is peaceful, is pure, is knowledgeable, is clean. Rasic people will live a life in this way, will disturb all the time. Tamasic person will go mad. But devotee is still higher than Sattvic person. He is thinking about how to serve Krishna. His focus is not on himself. Agree? Sattvic person, still the focus is not on Krishna. So we have been till now analyzing Sattvic, what Sattvic we will say is which makes our health good, correct? Rasic will start disturbing our health. Tamasic makes us crazy. It's actually not good for us, that food. Meat, liquor is considered tamasic, is already decaying. Somebody said you're making your stomach into a graveyard. Think that is tamasic food. Now, Bhakta thinks about something more. He thinks about, I'm not the enjoyer. Who is the enjoyer? Krishna. What does Krishna like? You cannot offer anything to Krishna. Therefore we said we are not vegetarian, we are Krishnatarian. Because we are giving to Krishna what he wants. And what does Krishna say? Patram pushpam phalam toyam. And mark it has to be given properly 3 times. Yo me bhaktya prayachati. What my devotee gives. With devotion. Correct? Bhaktya. Bhaktya means with devotion. You cannot say Krishna अच्छा बनाया, आप जरूर लेंगे. You cannot force. Force कर सकते हो क्या? Bhaktya. You have to offer with love. ठीक है? Krishna is moved. Krishna is controlled by. जैसे कभी कभी होता है ना आपके साथ, आप किसी के यहाँ जाते हैं, पेट पूरा भरा है, वो प्रेम से बोलता थोड़ा लेना पड़ेगा. You say, okay, I'll take. Why you take? You're still full. But you are taking out of love. So Krishna is actually full. He is Atma Rama. He is fully satisfied in himself. And Atma ko bhog nahi lagti. He is Paramatma ko bhi koi bhog nahi hai. He doesn't need material food anyway. Agreed? In spiritual world also, nobody feels hungry. Hunger is just for fun. Eating is just for fun. Just like you are going to office. Nobody wants to go to office. That's why they say labor and happiness is contradictory. Therefore, there is no happiness in this world. When you look at office 5 o'clock, why? Actually, we don't like to work. So, labor, what do you call it? Labor, or your hard work and enjoyment is contradictory. But in spiritual world, there is no hard work. It's only fun. You go somewhere just for fun. There is total job satisfaction. Because you are working out of love. Please try to understand this. When you are giving to the child, or mother is taking care of the child, she is enjoying it. Like you're holding your child that time, you're not minding it, it's fun. But when you go to the office, it's not fun. True? You're understanding your point? So similarly, this Sattvic, Rasic, Tamasic is another category. But Krishna conscious is something else. He tries to please Krishna, not of force, out of love. Yo me bhaktya. Yo me, true, sadhana mein, we do on the order of Acharya. He has love, you don't have love. On his order, you offer to the Lord. But still, yo me bhaktya prayachati. Then, tadaham, again bhakti. Second time. Please note, you cannot offer, खाओगे क्या? He is full. Just like hota na, somebody comes. आई एम नॉट हंग्री. प्रॉपर सेज कृष्णा भूखे नहीं है, लेकिन उनको आपका प्लेट नहीं चले. खाना चाहते हैं ना पूरा यूनिवर्स एक टाइम में खा सकते हैं. यू कैन ईट होल यूनिवर्स एट वन टाइम. ओवर. यो में भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहम भक्ति उपाहृतम. अगेन भक्ति. देन अस्नामि, I accept it. Paratatmanaha, for the person whose Atma is pure. 3 times. Bhakti, bhakti, prayatatmanaha. Did you notice that? So it has to be from a pure heart. If you are not pure, you cannot offer. And then, even if you are pure, you have to offer a devotion 2 times. It is careful. Okay, now, very important thing. Prabhupada ji को कोई पूछा, आप भगवान के आगे प्लेट रखते हो कैसे? ऐसी नाटक है, भगवान नहीं लेते. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोले, देखो श्लोक सुना है. पत्रम पुष्पम फलम तो युम भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहम अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. तदहम भक्त्या उपहितम अस्नामि प्रयतात्मनः. तो उसके बाद बोले, कृष्णा तो बोल रहे हैं अस्नामि, आई विल टेक इट, और तुम बोल रहे हो वो नहीं लेंगे. Whom should I believe? Should I believe Krishna or should I believe a rascal like you? उसका तो डर गया. Whom should I believe? Krishna बोल रहे हैं I will take asnami, and you are saying he will not take. Whom should I believe? Correct. Now whom do I accept? So Krishna accepts. Now, but that's over. Krishna accepts, but you cannot understand. Yeah, you cannot understand everything. You are very small. But as for understanding, Acharya explained. Om Purnamidam, Om Purnamadaha, Purnamidam, Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Visheshyate. What does it mean? Everything in the spiritual word is Purna. Om Purnamadaha, Purnamidam. Everything in this word is also complete. Okay? Purnat Purnamudachyate. So many complete things come out of the complete. Purnasya Purnamadaya. Even though so many complete units come from the Lord, Purnameva Vishishyate, the Lord remains complete. So therefore the food remains as it is. Okay? So our intelligence will always be that we accept sattvic food. And beyond the sattvic is accept only prasadam. That is the best for us. In fact, explaining this Purna, there is one nice example. Once one small boy, his guru asked everybody bring some food stuff. There was a big festival. So everybody said, okay, I'll bring milk. Somebody said, I'll bring this, blah, 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 blah. So this boy went home, Mama, what do I pledge? Everybody is saying they will bring this. Just like we are having a festival now. So Mama said, Beta, we don't have anything. We are very poor. Mama, how it is? Feeling so embarrassing. I am studying in a Gurukul. I should also offer something. Now there is a function. So okay, do better. Go to Krishna, he is Dina Bandhu. He is very helpful to the who are helpless. Dina. Say, where is the forest? Same like Dhruva forest. Say, where is the forest? Hey, Dina Bandhu, hey, Dina Bandhu. So finally he came. Krishna, he said, what do you want? I have to give this problem. Is a small child, he thought, just like Krishna is there. He doesn't know it's so difficult to see Krishna. He just cried. Krishna came. So what do you want? He said, I want to offer something. So what should I tell Guru? You tell I'll bring curd. So he brought curd, okay. So then the day event happened, he came to the forest. He said, Dina Bandhu, you have to give me something. Yeah. He said, take this. Small, vessel he took. So he gave to the Guru, and Guru became very upset. So what, 200, 300 people are coming at this much curd? What is this? He kept it and started walking and very upset and shouted at him. Child was thinking what Dinabandhu has done. And then finally what happened? The curd vessel fell. And same curd was full. Then the Prabhupada then loudly says, Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. Unlimited curd it was producing. So same way, that is the nature of Krishna. He eats when you offer. But the same food is as it is. Srila Prabhupada ki. Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki. Shri Shri Gaunitai ki. Hare